Numerical Miracle. Beauty and the Bees, Meraldi Measured Cells. PDF. Angles of rhombus were 109° 28 and 70° 32. In the beehive, angles of rhombus is about 109 degrees. The measure of the interior angles of a regular hexagon are 120 degrees. In 1712, Meraldi measured cells. Angles of rhombus were 109° 28 and 70° 32 in 3 phases. In Surah chapter 47 Muhammad in part 26 of 30, between the verse number 15 including the word honey and after it to verse number 38, the end of chapter, is 327 word. 327 divided by 3 phases equals 109 degrees. Chapter number and name. Verse number. Words. Totals. For explaining, the next pages. Surah chapter Muhammad number 47. Verse number 15. 20 words including the word honey. End. Verse number 38. Words 327. 327 divided by 3 phases equals 109 degrees. Angles of rhombus equals 109° 28 in the beehive.